Our next transaction is of 12 January and it says receive cash in advance from Abu Bakr. And we are receiving 378,000 in advance from our customer, that is Abu Bakr. Now, why is this customer paying us advance? You can find the answer in the very next transaction, in which a sales order is made by Abu Bakr for nearly 6 lakh or something, 652,000. So obviously for bigger orders we need some security, so that's why we take money in advance from customers. So we are receiving approximately half of it. So to receive advance from customers, I'll go to Peachtree and directly go in receive money from customers and go in receive money from customers. Now I'll just select the customer, that is Abu Bakr. After that, I can just mention any reference number and receipt number if you want to mention. And the date is 12th January. 12th of January. And then I'll click on prepayments. Here I can mention the description, that is receive cash in advance from Abu Bakr. Paste it right here. And 378,000 is my advance. Now all okay. And now let's click on save. And since it is under smart posting, you can just select it again. It will ask you to finally post it and click yes. So that's how we post cash in advance received from customers.